Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, we had NFP yesterday, and NFP is a major event for the Forex market. And as expected, we got to see some crazy volatility after the data. But we were expecting a unidirectional market or a particular direction, but sadly we did not get the direction we were looking for, because when market takes a direction after a news, it becomes little easier for to trade, and when the market just shows price rejection from both the sides, it becomes really difficult. And this is the main reason why news trading is considered to be the hardest form of trading, not one of the hardest but the hardest form of trading, because nobody can predict how the market will react after the news. Because if we just go by theory, then it seems that it is easy to trade at the time of news. If the data is positive, market will go up. If the data is negative, market will go down. But in practical trading, okay, how many times we have seen market reacting according to the news? Hardly a few times. Okay, and the reason is that market manipulation, or the highest market manipulation, takes place at the time of trading, no, at the time of news. Whenever we look at any chart, whenever we try to find levels in the market, okay, we always try to look for some logic behind it. But at the time of news, no logic works. This is the main reason I always request traders with low capital, beginners, new traders, to stay away from the market, because news trading is very lucrative. Those big moves, okay, we feel that we can make a lot of money, but maximum retail traders lose money at the time of news. Okay, so let's look at the market sentiment now. Gold retreats from near record high. Gold prices eased below 2500 per ounce on Friday, pulling back from near its record high after mixed US jobs data raised doubts about the size of the Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate cuts. And yesterday, if you remember, or if you were observing the market, then at first market went down around 2508, 2509, then it went up, and then it came down again. So it happened mostly, you can say that, because of the mixed news. Okay, the US economy added 142,000 jobs in August, below expectation of the 162 or 160,000 increase. Market was expecting 160K, and the number came around 142K, while the payroll count from the previous month was revised onward by 25,000. Gold edges down as the greenback steadies after the US added fewer than expected jobs last month. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. And after the news, if you're also observing DXY fell sharply. But if you have observed DXY, then you must be knowing that DXY had a very strong support around 100.5. And the support worked, DXY recovered, and this is the reason why we got to see pressure on gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, and others. DXY somehow managed to survive above 100.5. Okay, and this is the chart of gold right now. We can still see gold is trading inside the range. What is the range? The range of 2530 2470. Shockingly, the resistance of 2530 worked again. Okay, I was not expecting, I did not take the sell, because see, whenever market tests the level too many times, it becomes very dangerous. But the resistance worked again, we cannot help it, and we can see the market is still trading inside the range only. And this is the weekly chart of gold in front of us. We can see that gold is still standing at the top, and this is the reason why gold is in a range. And we can see market has been constantly forming dojis and spinning tops. Dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. Okay, so this is a matter of concern for the last 3 weeks. The market is in indecision, and this is the month of September. Okay, if you look at the history, then you will observe that September is not a good month for gold, so there is a possibility of correction in the month of September. Okay, now let's look at the trading opportunities now. And my dear friends, world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is starting soon from this month. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. The workshop has been designed specially for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. Okay. And as I said, okay, this workshop is designed for those people who are struggling with the market because these days the market or the online world is flooded with thousands of videos of smart money concept, price action, indicator based trading strategies. So it is very difficult for new traders to know what to take and what not to take. So we will only be dealing with those concepts that we need to understand to survive in the market. So we have divided the 7 classes into 2 sections. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. So these are the dates here. You can see we have time left, but you can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free market updates and analysis. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. And you can see that you will also be receiving risk management guide, lot calculator sheets after the workshop. And there will be a special session for Indians because Forex trading is little difficult in India. Okay, just to know the legal issues. And you can see that after the workshop, you will also receive 1 month support. Yes, 1 month support means you will be a part of our WhatsApp group where you'll be receiving regular market updates, analysis. We also have live sessions during important events like NAP, CPI. Yes, that also we had. And you'll also be a member of our Telegram community. This is how our WhatsApp group looks like. You can see you will be receiving regular market updates. And here we had the live session yesterday. And this is how it looks like. And this is a glimpse of our Telegram community where people interact, ask questions, share ideas. It's a lovely community for learning purpose from traders from all around the world. And you can see all the sessions will be conducted over Google Meet. And due to time difference, if you are unable to attend also, no need to worry. I record each and every session. And how to join the workshop. See, trading is a journey. Trading takes time. We all know it. Okay, so if you want a longer guidance, assistance, WhatsApp support from my side, you can go with semi-annual or lifetime, or you can simply sign up for the workshop. The best part is the fees. You can see 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. For 7 days workshop with 6 months support with 2 personal sessions to clear doubts, ask questions, it's only $80 or rupees 5000 for Indians. And for lifetime support, if you want to stay in touch with me, if you want regular updates, analysis, guidance from my side, you can go with lifetime for only $140 or rupees 9000 for Indians. Here you'll be getting 6 personal sessions for learning purpose, and you'll get lifetime support from my side. Okay. And these are the payment methods. So once you are done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. Thank you so much. So this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold closed at 2497 or gold closed below 2500. Okay, that is important or more important here. So what are the trading opportunities then? So first of all, positional traders. Okay, we have already seen on a weekly chart that market is forming dojis and spinning tops. Market is in indecision. So if you have any ongoing position, buy or sell doesn't matter. Okay, you can be on the position. Market is an indecision, so market may go up and market may also go down. But as I always say, positional traders, you should always be on the buy side. But it's the month of September. Market is an indecision. So if you're holding a sell, then also you can be on the sell position as long as gold is trading below 2530. If gold breaks 2530, please exit from your sell. And if you are having a buy, then obviously you will be very happy. So positional traders, continue with your ongoing position. But as if you're a positional trader and if you're looking for a new position, then you should avoid right now or as long as gold is trading inside the range here. So if you're looking for fresh positions as a positional trader, this is not the ideal time or this is not the ideal place to go for any new position. And if you are a swing trader, okay, then also I think it's better to avoid trading in this particular range here because market has been trading in this range for quite some time and things are very fragile. Okay. But if market bounces again from the support of 2470, if you want to go for it, then you can go for risk. Okay. But otherwise, in this market situation, personally, I feel that day trading will be safer. Obviously, I'm a hardcore day trader. Okay, I'll prefer day trading only. But um, this is not a trending market, not a clean market, so day trading is little safer. Okay. So after the market opening, if we see gold going up, then we can look for a sell around 2507.50 to 2508.50. We can look for a sell around this particular area here. Already you can see I have drawn FIBO here. So we have FIBO 50% retracement level, but most importantly, we have the 200 moving average around the same area. And as we all know, during the first half of Monday, we don't get to see much volume or volatility. So if market goes up, we can expect some selling pressure from upside. So if market faces some resistance, we can look for a sell. And the second selling opportunity will be around 2513, 2514. This area here, because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and you can see that we have a resistance around this area. So these are the two levels where we can look for a sell position on the chart of gold on Monday if it goes up. Keep in mind, volume will play a major role. We are considering these two sell levels because we don't get to see much volume. But if market surprises everyone with a big green candle, use your common sense, because trading and common sense go side by side. Okay. You can see we have another immediate selling opportunity around 2502, 2503 area, but this will be a riskier one, so I'm not recommending it. But if you want to go for it, your personal choice. But these two seems to be a little reliable considering these markets scenario on Monday. And if market goes down, okay, after the market opening, then it will be a little difficult, because to break any level, okay, to break any level, volume plays a very critical role. Okay, and here the volume is important. If market breaks 2485, sorry, yeah, 2485 with volume, then we can look for a sell below it. But during the Asian session or European session, if you see market is going down with small candles, then it will be very difficult to understand whether market will be going down or not. So uh, if market goes down after the market opening, try to go for a sell on gold after the US session only. Why US session only? Because US session brings volume. US session, okay, is famous for breakouts and breakdowns. So during the US session, if market breaks 2485 level, then we can look for a sell below it. But during the Asian session, if we see market is going down, market is slow, then day traders or scalpers may also find a bounce around this area. See how important a role of volume is. If there is no volume, then this will be a support. If there is volume, then market will break the support and market go down, and we can look for a sell below it. Getting my point? Okay, that's why trading is so difficult and complicated. And these are the only trading opportunities on the chart of gold that I see right now. And if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and have a lovely weekend. Spend some quality time with your friends and family, because they are more important.